Incredible India is more than just Taj Mahal. Let's see how much you know about tourist destinations in India.
Where in India can you find a living root bridge formed by shaping living plant roots into a usable suspension bridge?
Meghalaya.
The living root bridges are not only environmental friendly, they are durable and long lasting. In our search for a carbon neutral world, this might be an idea we might come back to.
Where in India can you find a spa for elephants?
Guruvayur.
Aha, special bath, nice massages, tasty food and light exercise. What more do you want in a spa experience?
Which of these is the richest temple in the world?
Padmanabha Swami Temple.
6 vaults of treasures, each containing untold riches. Just in one vault there is about 800 kg of gold coins apart from other things like golden statues and thrones. A mysterious vault that has never been opened in centuries. Ooh, spooky and inviting, isn't it?
In which of these national parks are you most likely to see the majestic Asiatic lion?
Gir National Park.
If you are an animal lover, Gir National Park is an experience you don't want to miss.
In which of these national parks are you most likely to see the one-horned rhinoceros?
Kaziranga.
Any trip to east of India is incomplete without a visit to the Kaziranga National Park. Early morning tours on elephants is the best way to get up close and personal with the rhinos.
Which of these Indian statues is the world's tallest statue?
Statue of Unity.
Honoring India's Iron Man, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the world's largest statue, the Statue of Unity, was inaugurated in 2018.
What is the theme of Chowkidani resorts?
Rajasthani village.
Chowkidani is present in multiple locations across India and offers an insight into the life of a typical Rajasthani village, including fairs, rides, shows, dances, and authentic Rajasthani food. Guests can participate in various events and enjoy the rides and games available. Chowkidani offers an unforgettable experience for the whole family.
Which of these UNESCO World Heritage Sites is not present in Madhya Pradesh?
Chittorgarh Fort.
Remember the Bollywood movie Padmavat? It is based on the legend of this fort. Of course, historians dispute this story, but don't let that come in the way of enjoying the Chittorgarh fort.
Which of these UNESCO World Heritage Sites is not present in Tamil Nadu?
Kailasa Temple.
Imagine you have a rock and you have to start carving a temple top down. That is, you start at the top and keep carving down till you reach the base of the temple. And you have to get the structure right the first time. That is the architectural marvel of this Kailasa temple at Ellora caves in Maharashtra.
If you are watching annual buffalo racing competition, Kambala, which state are you visiting?
Karnataka.
Teams of pair of buffaloes racing on a slushy paddy field driven by a farmer. Sounds exciting? That is the Kambala buffalo race for you.
How many did you get right? Remember, if you like and subscribe, then you are a Pakka Desi.
India is truly an incredible tourist destination because it offers something for everyone who visits it. Are you ready for the incredible experience?